Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki and today we'll be talking about how to earn money while still in college.
जिंदगी इस देश में
I won't be talking about some fake get rich quick methods here. Rather, all of the sources of income that I'll be stating in this video are my own personal sources of income, so you can be rest assured that they do work. During your college days, your expenses start increasing a lot. You start going out with your friends more often than before. You will need money for these expenses and paying out your bills. Now, wouldn't it be great if you could handle your own expenses rather than depend on your parents? Today, I'll be helping you find those perfect sources of income that will not only pay out your bills but also help you learn a lot and enhance your skill set. The main sources of income that I'll be talking about in this video can be broadly classified into work, influencing, business, and my personal favorite one, which I'll be revealing at the end of this video. So do watch this video till the end to get to know about my favorite source of income and also how much I earn for each of these income streams. Let's look at each one of them in detail. The first one that we have on our list is work. In work, you can have two major sources of income, the first one being internships and the second one being freelancing. Let's talk about internships for now. Now, of course, you've not come here to hear me say that you can start earning from internships. We all know that, but what I'm going to tell you today is how to do internships the right way. Is there a right way to doing internships? Absolutely. First off, when you're looking for an internship, look for something that relates to what you're going to pursue in the future. This will not only help you develop your CV but also help you develop your skill set. There is no better way to learn than from experience. For me, I got my first internship from Internshala. It's an online website especially for students like you looking for an internship. While applying, you would need a very good CV, so prepare one for yourself before you start. Many of the students think that they don't have any skill set or experience worth mentioning in the CV. Trust me, that's not the case at all. Don't worry, I will teach you how to write the perfect CV in some other video. Hold up, if you're enjoying this video, then do press the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow a lot. Let's aim for at least 100 likes this time. So just press the like button and we'll be good to go. Press the like button. Yeah. For now, let's talk about freelancing. Freelancing is great for students who are wanting to earn some quick extra bucks. Not only will you be learning something new, but also earning money with each project that you complete. There are various websites that will help you find the perfect freelancing job for yourself. Some of them are freelancer.com, upwork.com, and my personal favorite one, fiverr.com. You can go on these websites, fill up your details, and that's it. You can start your freelancing journey right away. For me, I personally started my freelancing journey with no skills whatsoever. But I went down on a niche rather than doing the things that everyone was doing on that platform, and I posted a gig about this. Yeah, the gig was about writing names and messages on sand. That's it. I have a beach which is pretty close to my house, and doing this was quite simple for me. And I earned a lot through this. Even now I get messages from new customers wanting to purchase this gig. But of course, Corona. Next up we have influencing. Now this stream is not everyone's cup of tea, and to start earning from influencing domain, you would require a lot of patience and consistency. Influencing consists of you being an influencer having a very wide audience base. Also, it is not only limited to just one platform, rather it is the cumulative audience base on all the platforms, that is YouTube, Instagram, and even Facebook. There are various sources of income for an influencer. You can earn directly from the platform itself, like a monetized YouTube channel, Or you can do affiliate marketing, that is posting your referral links in the description of the videos and having people register through your links. As you can see, I've already started with this stream with YouTube itself. But yeah, I don't have a monetized YouTube channel right now. Still, I've earned a lot through YouTube. That is due to affiliate marketing. Now, if you go down the description of this video, you will find two links. One for Amazon and Upstocks. Now, if you buy any products through my affiliate link, I would be paid for affiliate marketing, whereas you wouldn't be charged anything more than what the actual cost of the product is. Now, if you register on Upstocks through my affiliate link, not only I will be paid for my affiliate marketing, but also you will get a chance to earn free stocks when you register. Apart from this, influencers can also earn through brand deals and brand sponsorships. I know it gets pretty difficult to get those brand deals and sponsorships when you're just starting off. Even for that, I have a solution. You can check out Influencer Maven and register yourself as an influencer there. It not only helps those top influencers, but also micro influencers which are just starting off find the perfect brand deals and sponsorships. You will find the links to everything down in the description box below, so do check it out if you want to be an influencer. Next up, we have business. Yes, starting your own business while you're still in college. Start with working in your preferred industry under someone. Learn about how the business actually functions and what is the business model of that company. Internships are a great way to start off. Once you've gotten enough experience and have built some connections in the industry, then you can start your own business. Starting out your own venture is going to be very tough. You're still in college and trust me, it gets very hard as you would need to be a professional in whatever you do so that people will take you seriously. Before starting off, remember to do these things. First, make your business plan. Think of all the possibilities and all the negatives that your venture can run into. Second, calculate your initial investment and your further investments. Also, while making all this plan, I would suggest you to sit with someone who does not believe in your idea. Now, this may sound strange to some of you, but trust me, the people who criticize you are actually your best friends when it comes to business. They will be the first ones to tell you all the faults in your business plan and why it won't work. Instead of getting demotivated, try learning something from them and improving your business model. Now I will be revealing about my favorite source of income, that is investments. I've already made an in-depth video about investing and shared my investment portfolio in it too. So do check that video out if you're just starting to invest. Now, the investment world includes a lot. It is not just about buying a stock at a lower price and then selling it after at a higher price to gain profits. If you're new to investing, then I would suggest you not to even try stock market investing. Rather, go for mutual fund investing. This is because stock market investing is generally riskier than mutual fund investing. You would need a great deal of information about the stock market world before you start to invest in the stocks. Whereas in the case of mutual funds, you are investing in a fund that is handled by a professional. Also remember, I'm not talking about the short-term investing and trading. Rather, I'm talking about the long-term investing plans. I would recommend you to at least stay invested for 3 to 5 years. Now, those were my personal sources of income. And if you have any doubts or any queries regarding this, so do leave them in the comment section below. I would be happy to help you all out.